Hi you all, Assalamualaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Den Sissye Roro Satie. You can call me Sissye. I'm the college student of the Islamic State University, Sunan Gunung Djati, Bandung. My major is biology from Faculty of Science and Technology. Okay, this is my first video and my final assignment from my course. Thank you so much Miss Ria Nurviyani, who gave me this assignment and teach me for a few months. You were a good teacher, I'm sure. Okay, and now I want to discuss with you guys about the COVID-19. I'm pretty sure you all know about the COVID-19 because the virus be the pandemic of the world today, right? Am I right? Okay, COVID-19 is highly infectious disease because the virus so easily to spread by the cough, by the sneeze, and by the respiratory system. I have 4 unique informations, or it could be 4 fun facts about the coronavirus. If you never heard this information before, you should watch this video. And if you have already heard this information, or you want to tell another information about the coronavirus, you can discuss in the comment section below. And let's get started. First information about the coronavirus, there is no neonatal cases cause the coronavirus, and coronavirus isn't contained in the breast milk. Wait, coronavirus doesn't contain the breast milk. That is so incredible. Okay, let me read the journal, okay? The Journal of Hubei Science and Technology, Wuhan University told 9 live births were recorded and no neonatal asphyxia was observed in newborn babies. Amniotic fluid, cord blood, neonatal throat swab, and breast milk samples from 6 patients were tested for SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2 is same as COVID-19, and all samples tested negative for the virus. So, this journal told that coronavirus doesn't contain the breast milk. Wow. The clinical characteristics of COVID-19 pneumonia in pregnant women were similar to those reported for the non-pregnant adult patients who developed COVID-19 pneumonia. Finding from this small group, 6 pregnant women of cases suggest that there is currently no evidence for intrauterine infection caused by vertical transmission in women who developed COVID-19 pneumonia in late pregnancy. Second information about the coronavirus. There is coronavirus could be able to be the bioweapon for the bioterrorism. Wait, coronavirus could be able to be bioweapon? Bioterrorism? Wait, okay. Let me explain that. Bioterrorism is a kind of criminal case that use microbes like viruses or bacteria to cause illness or death at selected area. Oh, that is terrifying. The microbes agents spread through the air, water, or in food. The Journal of Biosecurity of the Medical Science, University of Indonesia told the viruses that have been potentially used as bioweapon for bioterrorism are Ebola virus, coronavirus like SARS, MERS-CoV, and COVID-19, influenza virus like avian flu and swine flu, and smallpox. Besides that, the bacteria that have been used are anthrax, plague, Clostridium botulinum, and tularemia. I found the bioterrorism cases in the USA that the terrorists from Rajneesh sect used Clostridium botulinum to infected Americans from salad at the one-off restaurant at Oregon. Wait, they used bacteria for infected Americans? Wow. And the other cases from Japan that Rikyo sector used anthrax for infected people in subway in Japan. What? What? That is so terrified. Third information about the coronavirus is the soap can damage the coronavirus. I'm pretty sure you all know about this information. So we should wash our hands with soap, right? But how it works? Why soap can damage the coronavirus? Okay, let me explain that. Wait, let me explain that. Viruses basically just contain two kind of genetic materials like RNA or ribonucleic acid and proteins. Nah, RNA or ribonucleic acid which contained in the virus is the casus pneumonia respiratory syndrome. And the virus has a lipid bilayer membranes, and soap can dissolve lipid. So if the soap and virus meet together, the virus membrane will be destroyed by the soap because soap can dissolve lipid and the membrane of virus made of lipid. So soap can dissolve lipid. Virus have lipids membrane. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Will be the membrane and make the RNA and proteins destroyed inside. So okay. The virus has a lipid bilayer membrane, and soap can dissolve lipids. The virus membrane will be destroyed and damage the genetic materials inside. If the genetics materials got damaged, broken or anything, viruses couldn't infect humans. So that the reason why we should wash our hands and keep it clean. And why the soap more efficient more than hand sanitizer? Because we know that soap can damage the virus membrane and the materials and genetics materials. And remember, we couldn't kill the virus just with the water, so we need soap. And last information about the coronavirus, there is antibiotics couldn't kill the coronavirus. We know what is the antibiotics, right? Antibiotics are drugs to treat infection caused by bacteria. Nah, the coronavirus, bacteria, antibiotics. Antibiotics work to inhibit the growth of bacteria in the body, but the COVID-19 caused by virus, not bacteria, so that antibiotics couldn't work it to kill the coronavirus. Viruses and bacteria are different microbes, so different from the structure and to how they grow. Giving antibiotics to patients who are positively got infected by the coronavirus is actually possible, for honestly. But the doctors will give antibiotics to patients who are infected with bacteria too, or at risk of becoming infected with bacteria. So that not all the patients are given antibiotics. Only a few patients are given antibiotics. Okay, that is for information that I could give to you guys. Let's discuss about the coronavirus at the comment section below. I'm so sorry if I made many mistakes during these videos, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.